Ngayon, today, it's a beautiful day, so I decided to plant this. And the other seeds that the Pinay gave to me, I already planted here. I hope it will grow because it's my first time to plant. And this is the garden. Look at the view. This is the garden, but it's not all mine. I only have a small space here because it's my first time to plant, and these are the trees that my brother-in-law planted. And tara, let's start planting. Where did I plant the... Yeah, here I planted the long beans. Here. I hope it will grow. And here is the pak choy. And here is the ampalaya. Yeah, I have ampalaya, but only the seeds. I hope it will grow. And yeah, where will I start? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, here. So I will plant that. I have this. This is what's this?
Pepperoni.
Pepperon, the green ceiling green. Yeah, and strawberry. Oh, because of the wind.
No, it's thirsty. So
Oh,
plant
really?
now. Yeah.
It's dirty, so I must plant this strawberry and then salads. It looks it's dying because the wind is so.
They are thirsty, Asawako.
How you know? You know how to plant
I tried
salad.
Huh?
And guys, look what I've got. I have sweet potato. Where can I get the water?
You don't need now water. First to plant and then you will get
Okay, so
water.
I will plant first the pepperoni. Hello! It's my first time. How do I plant this? I will magbutas tayo. Parang naglalaro lang. Guys, as you can hear, my voice is not.
Stop.
I will plant this also.
Nee.
I will tanggalay.
Yeah. Can I show you?
Yeah.
I stop.
First. Guys, he plant first because I don't know.
It's the same.
Yeah,
Huh?
it's the same. Yeah. Ayan yung space ko. It's too near. Yeah, it's okay.
Oh, it's again.
Hold on, maybe it's my plant.
Yeah. You didn't put water here, huh? It's dry. It's too far, Asawako.
Huh?
More near, you will have space pa. Huh? Look.
Here?
Yeah.
Nanay. Guys, tumubo na siya. I hope you will grow.
Put the stick closer, you will have line. You will have line. Check. Pwede lang, mami. Huh?
He is planting. And I hope it will not die.
You put. It's okay. It's the same. Huh?
Yeah.
I can stop.
Ayan. That's how I plant. It's not good. Look at the salad. I plant the salad. It's too near. And the space.
too near?
These two. And the pepperoni. And strawberry, the sweet potato. You will plant the strawberry here. Here na lang, the space.
Here, no?
Okay.
One there.
I don't know. Yeah, it's so the space sana of sweet potato is over here. No, it's okay.
It will come here, potato.
Yeah, because he will grow.
Are you sure?
Strawberry. Strawberry. Yay! Wati! Eee! You're not scared
Of what?
of that? The wati. It's called wati in our language.
Glista.
Glista. I'm scared with that. It's like snake. Snake! Oh, it's too near. Huh?
It's okay. You will have space for more.
Okay. So we can we buy, can we, ano,
Okay.
I like the strawberry luro. That's my space. Up to there. With that wood. I plant the ampalaya, string beans, and pak choy over there. I hope it will grow. I should have put persana on the pot like that, but I forgot it's already there. I hope it will grow. So we're done. Look at this space. I will plant more. I will plant more strawberries. I like strawberries. Strawberry. Daddy, you will get water.
Yeah.
Okay. You are the one who planted that. Nakakangalay umupo, guys.
Space pa,
Magtanim. Yeah. Yeah, we still have space. Yeah. Thank you, Daddy.
Cool, oh.
It's a little cold. It's a little cold. And baby is sleeping already. Yeah, this is my space. Up to here. I plant. I hope it will, but I didn't see. We're done planting, and as you can see, my husband is putting water to the plant. Look at this space. Look at the space. I still can plant more strawberries or what. Yeah, we will buy pa. And yeah, sweet potato. Pag nagluto ako ng may sabaw na isda, ayan, maglalagay ako ng talbos ng kamote. At guys, buti na lang umaraw ngayon kasi gustong gusto ko na talaga siya itanim kasi parang namamatay na. Sabi ni Mr. kulang lang daw sa tubig. Nandun lang kasi sa may terrace. Umulan naman kaya hindi ko nilagyan ng tubig. Why you put a lot water? It will die.
What if it will be rain? Huh?
Because it's raining, that's why I didn't put water because it has water already. Look, mommy's plant vegetable and it's growing. It's growing already. But I plant the ampalaya and the beans. I didn't see a sign that it's growing. How will I know it will grow? Guys, comment down below. Any suggestions or addition, subtraction? Charot. Well, these are the trees. It's all trees here, and this is our tree. How you call this tree? How you call this tree? No, there is. What's the name of this tree? Yeah, this is a gift from his friends on our wedding. Yeah. And it's growing already. And that garden, it's the garden of her aunt, my mother-in-law's sister. Yeah. That is their garden. She has a lot plant. And tadam 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 tadam.